So in this video, we will teach you how to use Screencast or screen recording tool in Weezly, and different shapes, settings, and also how to send these videos to someone. So basically, just to mention, Screencast screen recording is not automated videos, but basically a single recording video which you record and then send to someone. Now, once that is clear, let's get started. In order for this to work, you must have the Weezly Chrome extension, and once you have that installed, then you can click on the icon and then you can hit simply start recording. Now, Weezly will open up, and then here you have different shapes. So basically you can change different shapes of your camera. You can even flip the camera like this, hello. And you can also change different shapes like this and different sizes. There we go. And you can also place it wherever you would like to on the window. And few other options that we have. If you click on this cog video, then a cog icon, then you can also select your camera, what microphone, if it's full size, and also the countdown. So before you start to record, also you will have a countdown. And once you're ready to record a video, just simply hit record like this. Select the screen. So you can either select the entire screen, window, or tab. But in this case, I'm just going to select the entire screen. And then what I can do is basically, if I hit, actually I'm going to do window. So I'm going to select this window here and then select share. And now the countdown will start. So, and I can just record a message. Hi, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying and watching this video. See you soon. Bye-bye. And just hit stop. Once you're ready with this, Weezly will then upload this video. And then what you can do is simply preview this video like this. And so you can then send this to someone. They can hit click play and watch this video very quickly. Now, as you can see, this title, it doesn't look very nice, but you can actually change it. So if you go back to Weezly on the video and just click here, hi there. So what you can do then is just change the title, and if you refresh the page, then you will be able to, this person will see something different here. Another option that we have on Weezly, which is very unique, is that you can add a booking page. There's another section of what the booking page is, but basically it allows other people to book meeting with you. So basically when you send this video to someone, they can watch the video and they can directly book a meeting with you based on your availability. Pretty awesome, right? And last but not least, what you can do is also copy this. For every video, we are generating a GIF image. So if you copy this, open your email, and then once you hit compose, just pass this in, and then you can send this very nice GIF image to someone so they can see a video that you are sending to them. That's it. And in the next video, I will show you how you can organize your videos. So good luck recording videos on Weezly with the Screencast tool. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.